Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Let's talk a little Bitcoin, shall we? So, Bitcoin Q3 rally possible as minor sell-off finishes, Quant says. A quant has explained how a rally could be possible for Bitcoin in this third quarter of 2024 as minor selling pressure has disappeared. Perfect. We talked before, guys, about we had four pillars of sell-offs that were happening, which is why Bitcoin's price was being suppressed. We had the miners capitulating and they were selling off because they needed to stay functional. Okay. We had the German government selling off seized Bitcoin as well. We had ETF outflows happening for like, I don't even know, like 2 weeks straight or something like that, right? And finally was I believe the US transferring another 1,500 BTC over to Coinbase to sell. Something like that was number four. Anyway, so we had a lot of selling pressure, right? And it's starting to disappear a little bit. We saw the outflows dissipate on the ETFs. We've actually seen, I think, like 4 or 5 days in a row of inflows now. While they may be minor inflows, they're still inflows nonetheless, better than outflows. And now the miners are stopping their selling pressure as well. So in a Crypto Quant quick take post, an analyst had talked about how the selling pressure concerns from miners has resolved recently. There are two on-chain indicators to focus on here. The first of these is the miner to exchange transactions, which, as its name suggests, keeps track of the total number of transactions that are that are going from miners related wallets to exchange affiliated ones. When the value of this metric is high, it means the miners are making a high number of deposits to exchanges. Generally, the main reason why these chain validators may transfer their coins to these centralized entities is for selling related purposes. As such, this kind of trend can have potential bearish consequences for the market. Low values of the indicator, on the other hand, could either be neutral or bullish for the asset, as they imply miners are possibly not participating in any selling through these platforms. Now, here is a chart that shows the trend in the Bitcoin miner to exchange transactions over the past year or so. As you can see here, guys, this is what it's been lately right here, right? As we can see, we've got April, May, right here, right? A lot of selling pressure that had been happening. And this is where we are now, way down here. Selling pressure has dissipated. As is visible in the above graph, the Bitcoin miner to exchange transactions has been rising between late 2023 and the end of April of this year. This uptrend in a metric has taken place as the price of the cryptocurrency itself has been going through a rally. It would appear that the miners saw the rally as an exit opportunity as they gradually upped their selling pressure as the price went towards the new all-time high. It's also apparent, however, that since the peak in April, the indicator's value has observed a very rapid decline. Thus, it's possible the miners' appetite for selling has cooled. Exchanges aren't the only way miners sell, however, as over-the-counter OTC desks are also a popular option among these chain validators. Below is a chart that shows the trend in the total OTC desk balance, which is an indicator that keeps track of the non-exchange and non-miner wallets that miners send to when they want to sell. As you can see, it is also on a massive decline. OTC balance is the blue, purple, whatever you want to call it, and boom, look at that crash straight to the downside. From the graph, it is visible that the total OTC desk balance has been at relatively high levels just earlier, suggesting that these entities that are likely OTC desks have been holding a large number of coins. In the past couple of days, though, the indicator has seen a sharp decrease, potentially implying that the coins that had piled up in the wallets have now found a buyer. Thus, it would seem that miners have eased off the selling pressure on exchanges, and the coins that had been waiting to sell on OTC desk have also been absorbed. sufficient conditions that have been created to continue the upward rally again in the third quarter of 2024, notes the quant. Bitcoin has shown some recovery over the last 24 hours as the assets price has now rebounded back above 63,700. Very, very bullish to see, guys. So will we see a rally in Q3? I believe it's possible. I have been saying for months that I think we do start our slow ascent to the upside through the third quarter, July, August, September, leading into the last quarter of the year where we start to really take off into 2025. But I want to know what you guys think. Are we going to rally in Q3? Let me know, guys. Click the like, click the subscribe button, guys. Listen, altcoin season is coming, guys, and you need to be ready, okay? So if you need help rounding out your portfolio, identifying your weak points and your strong points, and maximizing your ROI, click the join button down below for that. Or if you need one-on-one coaching, guys, jump over to the Patreon. The link is down below for that. We do one-on-one training over there, coaching. We also upload technical analysis videos for learning purposes over on the Patreon as well. So check that out. You can also see my portfolio over there as well. Follow me on X, guys. Again, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.